Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan from Marketing with Meg, and today we're going to be talking about the 3 things you must do before signing an influencer to market your product. So influencer marketing has been growing exponentially over the past couple years, and that is when you pay someone with a large following in your local community to market your product, or to come in and use your services, and they then showcase their experience using your services and share it to their large audience. So why should you be using influencer marketing? Well, influencer marketing is a great way to get more eyes on your product or service from your local community, from the people you want to buy your service. Essentially, you piggyback on top of someone with a very large local following, and then they share your services to their following. It's kind of a win-win. It does cost money. We can go over that in another video because some influencers will have much higher fees for their posts or their videos. You have to take that into consideration. But as of today, we're going to be covering 3 key things you must do before you even sign a contract with an influencer. Okay, so tip number 1, this probably isn't going to be a big surprise that it's tip number 1, and it's making sure that this influencer does not have fake followers. You can do this before you even reach out to them. Just take a peek at their Instagram, look at their comments, right? Compare their comments to the amount of followers they have. Like if they have 500,000 people following them, but they're getting 1 to 6 comments on their pictures, right? It doesn't really add up. Like you want someone who has an active online community, because if they have an active online community and they have a lot of people, commenting on their posts, sharing their posts, liking their posts, and following them, like you want a healthy like to comment ratio. If this ratio is off and they have a very large following but they have a very low engagement, this could mean that they are potentially purchasing their followers. So a tool I've used in the past is Social Blade. I'll link the website below, and you can easily input their username into this website, and it will show you the trend of their followers. So what you're looking for is like a healthy incline, right? Like you don't want any jumps or anything could indicate a large follow purchase, right? Because when you purchase followers, it's going to spike up your followers. But then a lot of times when you purchase followers, a lot of these fake accounts either get deleted by Instagram or they then unfollow right away, and you'll probably see a quick decline. It might not be as much as the incline, but what you want really is a healthy incline as their online community grew in a natural and healthy manner. Tip number 2, this is to grab their rate kit and their media kit. So what you can do is you can get the email of the influencer that you're interested in working with, and all you have to do is reach out to them, right? So shoot them an email, tell them who you are, what your company is, what product you sell or service you sell, why you want to work with them, and then politely ask for their rate card and their media kit. The rate card and the media kit is kind of like a resume for influencers. It will show you how much they charge per content, how much they have grown in the past, who they've worked with in the past, the type of industry that they work with specifically, and also it will show you their demographics, which is what you want to see. So you want to make sure you get their demographics so you can see that their following is from your local community. Like you don't want to partner with an influencer where you're selling, say you're partnering with an influencer for your lashes company in Vancouver, and you get their media kit and you see that all of their followers are in the States, right? They're in the USA. You don't want to partner with that influencer because people from the States aren't going to fly in to get their lashes done. You want to make sure that they have a healthy following in your city before you move forward with them. Okay, so my 3rd and final tip for this video is to quickly, before you even reach out to them, review their feed and make sure they haven't already partnered with someone in your same industry. Right? A lot of times if someone's already partnered, say with another lash artist, they're not going to want to partner with another lash artist because that would kind of conflict their previous partnership. And a lot of times influencers want to grow long-standing partnerships, so they'll kind of find one person in one industry and stick with them, and then if the partnership is beneficial to the both of them, that can kind of just move forward that way. So take a quick view of their feed. If you haven't seen that they have any partnerships with any local service providers that are the same as you, go ahead and reach out to them. But if you do find that they have partnered with someone recently in your industry, in your local area, then I would maybe recommend finding someone else or finding another influencer. But luckily, there's so many influencers in every city, you'll be bound to find someone who you can work with. Alright, so I hope you found value in this video. The whole world of influencer marketing is very big. There's a lot of things to know before, during, and after working with an influencer. Leave any comments below if you have any of them about influencer marketing. I'll probably do another video on this because there's just so much content we can cover in terms of the world of influencer marketing. So again, leave a comment below and make sure you subscribe so that when I do my next video on influencer marketing, you get a notification that is up. Until then, I will see you in my next video, and I hope you all have an amazing week.